All right, everyone. I'm making a video for y'all so you do not make the same mistake I do. On these specific cbr600 models from '03, I believe, or '04 through '06, if you drop the bike and it falls on the left side and it breaks the shifter, you will have this shaft. You'll think it'll be broken internally and it'll be able to move forward and back and the bike will be stuck in neutral. And we took this bike to a shop and a shop quoted us. They have to pull the motor, split the casing, all that. Now, we literally bought an entire motor for this bike. And right before I was about to put this motor in, I was able to get a look at this same shaft from this outside view. And I was looking and I was like, there's no split casing here. And I kept following, and the only way to exit is the clutch cover. So then, before, I was like, wait, let me just pop the clutch cover off. And lo and behold, that is the shifter. Now, when you drop these things in this perfect way, you will bend this little tab, and I'm going to... Don't worry, y'all. I'm using the impact to break them loose, not tighten. So, when you drop the bike, this little bracket, you can see it has a little crack in it. And it got bent. Because when the shaft was pressed out like this, because it moves forward and back as you see, when the shaft got pressed out, it bent the tab back. So I came in with pliers, bit one end on the pliers, and literally just bent it back, bolted it back on, and it's working like a charm. So you do not need to split the casing for this. This is the problem. You just pop the clutch cover off, and if you guys are afraid or you get stuck with this, the big final drive gear thing, to make it make sense, when it's installed, it will be, these teeth will be behind the casing, and you're gonna freak out and you're gonna think, fuck, no. You're gonna jiggle this entire thing forward and back with the little play. And this spring, or this bearing, sorry, you could bite on it with the little teeth it has with like a pair of pliers or dikes and just figure out how to get it out. And then this gear will be able to come out after the basket, and then you can attack that. And so what I'm going to do, instead of just bending it back and throwing it back together, because it's definitely got a little hairline crack in it, I'm going to just weld the shit out of this thing and throw it back in there. But yeah, if you guys are experiencing the same issue with this exact model bike, you don't need to pull the motor. You don't need, it's not that deep. And this is the culprit. I hope this helps anyone who runs into the same issue.